Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys the face mask that helped my sister clear her pimples and acne. That's what I'll be sharing with you guys. Okay, so this is what her face looks like. This is what she battled with for some months, but after some treatment and the face mask, she recovered her face. So this is her face right now. So let's get right into the video. Let me share with you guys the face mask she said that she has been using when she was receiving treatment that really helped to dry all the pimples and acne. Okay, so let's get right into it. So the first ingredient you will need for the mask is banana peel. Get one ripe banana, go ahead and wash it. After washing it, you cut the banana peel into pieces. Then add it into the blender. We'll be making use of only the banana peel. You know, I was surprised when she mentioned banana peel. I was like, does banana peel do anything to the face? You know, I was really surprised. So I went and I searched, I made some research about banana peel, and I found out that banana peel helps to brighten the skin and reduce wrinkles. It also acts as a moisturizer and helps in hydrating the skin. Do you know that just rubbing banana peel on your face daily can help to reduce dark spots and get rid of acne scars? Yes, there are a lot of skin benefits of banana peel that I got to find out. So after cutting the banana peel, add it into the blender, add a little water. Go ahead and blend it. Blend until smooth, okay? So that is it, guys. As I was saying, banana peel has a lot of skin benefits. Yes, it really has a lot of skin benefits. So after blending it, go ahead and sieve it. We'll be making use of only the juice from the banana peel. So after blending it, look at it changed in color, but that's okay, all right? So don't worry, it's still good, okay? So go ahead and squeeze out the juice, and once that is done, the next ingredient you need to add to it is rice flour. Go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of rice flour into the plate. Then after that, you mix it very well. Rice flour is a very potent skin cleaning agent. It has acne reducing qualities and regulates oil production, which helps to keep the pores fresh and unclogged. Okay, so if you're having clogged pores, rice flour can help you to unclog your pores. Yes, by using it to exfoliate your face, it will help to unclog your pores. Okay, so after adding it, you go ahead and mix it very well. Once that is done, the next ingredient you need to add to it is milk. Go ahead and add 2 teaspoons of milk into it. If you don't have powdered milk, you can use fresh milk, but you cannot use evaporated milk, okay? Powdered milk or fresh milk, okay? Go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of it. Milk contains lactic acid that help cleanse pores and remove acne-causing bacteria that get accumulated on the skin during the day. It also has nourishing and moisturizing properties. Yeah, so after that, you mix very well. The next ingredient here is lemon juice. Go ahead and squeeze in some amount of lemon juice into it. Okay, lemon juice helps to prevent blemishes and blackheads. It also helps to fight wrinkles and other signs of aging. So go ahead and add enough. If you add and it's not, the consistency is not yet okay, you can go ahead and squeeze more lemon juice into it. Okay, so the next one here is vitamin E. Vitamin E is very essential to the skin. Yes, it helps to cleanse the skin by removing impurities and improving the skin elasticity. Yes, so go ahead and add some drops of vitamin E into it. Do you know that mixing vitamin E with lemon juice helps to whiten the skin? Yes, it does. So you can as well try that, okay? So guys, here I am, and I have the mixture with me. I'll go ahead and show you guys how you can apply this for an effective result. Okay, so before you apply it, make sure your face is clean. Make sure your face is washed. Okay, my face is already washed, so I'll go ahead with my brush. This will help me to apply it very well. So here is it. Dip it into the mixture, then apply it on your face. You see, apply it on your face. This will help to get rid of pimples, acne, hyperpigmentations. You know, it will help to smoothen your face, revive your face, give you that young and youthful glow. This treatment is effective. With consistency, all these things I mentioned, you will achieve it. You will achieve flawless look. You will achieve smooth skin. You will get rid of black spots, acne, all that. With consistency, you will achieve all that, okay? Apply it all over your face. Use this mask 2 times in a week. Use it 2 times in a week. Be consistency. You will see great results. You will see great change. Okay? So you guys, the remaining one, you have to keep it in the fridge for a day. Yes, you keep it in the fridge for a day. Then after tomorrow, you discard anyone that is remaining. That's why it's always necessary to prepare your DIY in a little quantity, okay? So that you don't have much left after using it, right? So for this one now, I will allow it to dry up. I will give it 30 minutes to dry up. And once it dries up, I'll go ahead and wash my face with lukewarm water. Then apply aloe vera gel on my face. If I don't want to apply aloe vera gel, I'll go ahead and apply my face moisturizer. You have many options, but just make sure that you don't leave your face dry, okay? So it's either you apply aloe vera gel or your face moisturizer or your face cream. Anyone will serve. So with consistency, the black spots, the acne, the hyperpigmentations you're having will clear. You wouldn't even know when it will happen, but with consistency, it will clear. So like I said earlier, my sister used this method and you all can see the transformation. So try this for at least 2 months with consistency and you will see a great change. All right, so that is it, guys. Right now I will wait for 30 minutes for it to dry up, and once it dries up, I will go ahead and wash it off with lukewarm water. Then I will apply aloe vera gel on my face. Okay, so that is it. So please kindly hit the like button if you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe if you haven't done so, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye. Remember to apply your face moisturizer or aloe vera gel, anyone you have. Make sure you don't leave your face dry, okay? Because leaving your face dry can cause breakout. Yes, it can cause breakout, okay? So I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.